Hi, I am Megan Larson, and I am the product manager here at R&D Systems, covering our Quantic ELISAs, our Duoset ELISAs, and our proteome profiler arrays. So here at R&D we have multiple different types of ELISAs. Our Quantic ELISA is what we are most known for, and that these kits are ready to use right away, and they are very highly developed and validated, and they have superior quality and reproducibility. We spend a lot of time and resources in-house developing these kits, making sure that they're measuring the analyte that we say that they are measuring. We use our in-house quality proteins and antibodies to make these kits, as well as we have over 300 different diluents that we can then put in the kits to eliminate any binding partners or anything else in your complex sample that could interfere with the reading. We also have our Duoset product line, which is a much more economical ELISA kit where we kind of give a flexibility to the customer in order to adapt these kits to their needs. So our Quantic ELISAs are the top of the line quality and reproducibility when you want to measure an analyte in a serum or plasma sample, and you get the ultimate consistency. So whether you are measuring running a kit today and 5 years down the line, you'll get the same results from that kit. So our distributor network is very important because we like to get our products available to everybody, no matter where you are in the world. And we couldn't do that without all of our great distributors. And not only making the products available, but just providing support to the customers and helping them as well in their research.